Hi, thanks for watching. In this quick video, we're going to go over non-destructive image editing and masking, specifically Photoshop selection tools and non-destructive image editing techniques. We'll focus on masking, and I'll just go over a couple of basic things related to using Photoshop. So I've already downloaded a photo that was from one of the links here, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and duplicate that into our layer, into our file that we're using, and it has already been set up. In this case, here it is. Now this is in the 16 by 9 format, so I'm going to I'll stretch this to accommodate the 8.5 by 11 format. And of course this image is set to 8.5 by 11 by 300 resolution, set forth by the final project. So I'm going to say okay to that. So let's go ahead and I'll do a Control T. We already have our maintain aspect ratio set. So I'll just go ahead and stretch this down, and just go ahead and take that. Maybe I'll move this over a little bit here, maybe just to the end. And now what I'll do is I'm going to grab the photo that I'm actually going to mask, and I just took this as simple photo of a 3D printed statue, and I'm going to copy it over, duplicate it rather, into, now as you can see it's pretty large. So what I'll do first is I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to Control T, and I'll shrink this down to fit, or actually, yeah, that'll be fine. We'll center it and hit enter. And now what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and do a select mask, and holding down the shift button, I'll use left click mouse, left mouse button click, and holding down my shift button, I'll begin to just outline the figure itself. Just gonna do just his foot there, go down. Go up and do his arm, and I think that's it. Let's say okay, and now we have our figure standing there. We could actually decrease the size. We can make it look realistic, or in this case, I missed a little bit of the masking there, but it actually could look like his foot is in the snow a little bit there. But in any event, that is your select and modify, select and mask option there. And as you can see here, the actual photo hasn't been destroyed, it's just been altered, as you can see here on the right. And if you have any other questions about select and masking, just feel free to send me a question. Thanks for watching.